In this video, you'll learn how to update your personal information on eBay. By following these steps, you will be able to change your name, email address, phone number, and address directly within your account settings. Start by signing in to your eBay account. Once you are logged in, locate your profile icon at the top of the page, which typically appears as a silhouette or your profile picture. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu, then select the option labeled Account Settings. This action will direct you to your account management page where you can make the necessary updates. Next, look for the section containing the personal information you want to change. This area may include fields for your name, email address, phone number, and address. To modify any specific detail, find the corresponding edit option next to the field you wish to alter. Clicking this will allow you to enter the new information in the provided fields. It is crucial to double check the accuracy of the new details before moving on to the next step. After entering your updated information, locate the button that says Save or Update. Clicking this button will apply your changes. Be aware that eBay may prompt you to confirm your password for security reasons. This step ensures that only you can make changes to your account. Once you have confirmed your password, the system will process your updates. Following the confirmation, you should see a message indicating that your information has been successfully updated. At this point, your new details will be stored in your account and will be used for all future transactions. It is advisable to review your account settings periodically to ensure that all information remains accurate. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.